What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, about to head over to a night meet. One of the homies is hosting with Street Elegance. I'll put a link to them down in the description below, as well as my homie, so we can basically get some more people over, checking them out. But yeah, about to go meet up with the homie Ryan, and then we'll roll in together. Alright, this is with the remote start. So that is on, and those are on. Alright, so I am in. I'm not sure. I think I might keep it at that mode where it's just going cycling through. We'll see. I'll play with it a little bit more. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there.
20 minutes later.
Alright. I think with the purple, it does set it off. Like when it was rolling.
Shit changed different. I got it changing different shit, different colors.
Yeah. I like that purple though with the black. That looks good. So we about to roll in. It's over that way somewhere. So we can either go to the right or we can go straight that way. They about the same, so.
I'm following you.
Alright, so let's roll out. Alright, so we just pulled up. We got the park next to each other. And we got this dope cord over here. Sound like somebody's scraping, but that's just the bottom piece. Pretty clean. So. Alright. The man of the hour. I'll definitely put a link to him down below. Let's get a good picture of his squad name. Then we got some more here. Real clean. Hey, how you doing?
Good. I didn't fuck your shot out, did I?
No, you're good. Let's see here. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. And we're just getting started. It barely started. I think it's gonna be going to like midnight, but we got a special video that's gonna be shot. I'll put a link down below so you can get a look of it when it's done. Sheesh, that's clean. As always, like I always say, let me know which one's your favorite, which setup's your favorite as well. That's clean.
But he wasn't even there when the shit happened.
This was clean.
Yeah, but since he the boss, you know, so.
Sound pretty good. Oh, excuse me.
Like I said,
Thank you.
this little shit standing on his head. He can do this little shit standing on his head.
Looking good. Sounding good too. Alright. Got him in sync. It took like 3 tries, but we got it. Got it in sync. And the car just turned off. Not bad.
We'll give him a light just for the picture.
So yeah, we got a special little thing planned here in a few minutes. So I'll turn it back on once we get to that. They're putting another banner on right now because the other one was faded. Alright, so now they're about to go through. We all turn the lights on in the cars. Alright, going through. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. You do.
Alright, they going through, getting a full shot. Give me the spotter. Looking pretty clean with all the lights on. Street Elegance meet. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. I would have ended it at the meet, but there was a lot of music playing by the end. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Definitely check out the homies. Links will be in the description below. Don't forget, you can get your merch. Link will be in the description below as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like. Oh, also, sorry. We have a meet coming up. I'm going to throw that in the description as well. It's going to be in Georgia. I believe it's Douglasville. I'm going to be linking up with Boosted Motion, Nor TM, Enthusiast POV, and a few others as well. So definitely go ahead and throw a link to that event in the description below. And yeah, hope to see some of you there. All right, have a good, as always, stay fitted. Peace.